Every relationship has disagreements, but the repair afterward truly matters. Healthy couples are not the ones who never argue at all. They are the ones who reconnect gently once the tension cools down. A simple repair can be a soft apology or even a small joke. It signals that the bond is more important than winning the point. Checking in later with "Are we okay?" can rebuild trust quickly. These little gestures keep small fights from hardening into lasting resentment. Coming back together is a skill anyone can practice. Repair is where real strength lies. Follow lavish